Mabuhay! Hello everyone, I am Krisha May Balagtas from BTVTED FSM 31 and I'm here to present the taking table reservation in restaurant service. Hello, this is ICI Restaurant. I am Krisha May. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Sure, ma'am. May I have your name and contact number, please?
My name is Nadine Enriquez Papa and my number is 0932-835-7777.
Okay, Miss Nadine. May I ask if this is correct? Nadine for Nadine and Papa for PA.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, ma'am. A table for how many?
A table for two, please.
Table for two. May I know when and what time you would like to reserve a table?
Tomorrow at 7 o'clock, please.
Okay, hold on, ma'am. I will just check if we still have an available table on that time.
Okay, sure. No problem.
Thank you for waiting, Miss Nadine. I'm glad to tell you that we still have an available table for your preferred date and time.
Oh, that's great.
Which do you prefer, ma'am? A smoking or non-smoking area?
Great question. I prefer the non-smoking area.
Okay, noted, ma'am. Are you celebrating a particular occasion for this affair?
It's just a regular dinner.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any special request in mind to make this affair memorable and you want us to consider?
Can I request a one slice of cake?
Sure, ma'am. Would you like to try our bestseller cake, which is Black Forest?
Yeah, I think that would be perfect.
Is there any other request would you like to add?
No, that would be all. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your table reservation under the name of Miss Nadine Papa? A table reservation for 2 persons, preferred a non-smoking area, with a request of sliced Black Forest cake for tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the evening. And your telephone number is 0932-835-7777. Is the details correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
Would that be all, ma'am?
I think that would be all. Thank you.
Well then, thank you for trusting our service and please do call us to any possible changes you would want to make regarding to your reservation. We look forward to bring service to you and your guests tomorrow in the evening. Have a great day. Thank you.